So, would anybody be surprised with these results? I mean, I'm kind of looking at these first row of buckets here. The intensely, where we have the most tillage, we seem to have the most runoff. We had a class at Riverland College where I showed this to last year, and we had similar results. One of the students actually took this bucket back, dried it down, and figured out how much soil there was in there, and equated that to an acre. And it was like 6 or 7 tons equivalent, one runoff to that. So that was kind of revealing. I mean, it's kind of shocking, actually. The strip till with cover crop, 3 years ago, that field looked just like this. It was managed the same way, and so you can see that there's been some improvement as far as infiltration in 3 years of cover cropping and the strip till. Okay, so there, we see a lot of hope in the use of strip till because it reduces the amount of disturbance going on in soil. Because we feel this is as much biological as it is physical. When you disturb the soil a lot, you tend to basically distribute the microbial structure in the soil. You're going to have more bacteria probably, but you're probably going to have less fungi and other large organisms, which are very, very important in structure formation. So if you look at this one right here, you'll notice where I took the residue off, you'll see aggregation right to the surface. You'll see soil that almost looks like cottage cheese, except it's black, but has that same texture of round aggregates. And then where the soil was not protected, it's sealed. Okay, and so the whole trick in increasing infiltration and permeability through the soil is to maintain structure. And unfortunately, with intense rainfall events and disturbance, whether that be tillage, whether that be compaction from vehicles, or just plain lack of protection on the soil surface, the soil finds it very difficult to maintain structure right to the surface. And so it's going to seal itself, and that's kind of what's happening here. So when we let that dry, that thing will be just as hard as a rock on the surface. And we see a lot of that about this time of the year, actually earlier than this, especially when we get one heavy rain. Now, some people say, well, you shouldn't be adding 4 inches an hour. Well, in reality, we do get rains at that intensity these days. I mean, that's almost the norm. Every year, somebody's going to get one like that. As a matter of fact, I work in the Mower County area, and we've had 2 rains like that already in 1 year. So, is that more than it used to be? Well, I think it is. I mean, as a matter of fact, we are getting more rain, and what meteorologists are telling us is that the extra rain we're getting is actually coming in more intense rainstorm events. It's not coming in all-day rains anymore. It's coming at 1 to 2 inches per hour. Wham bam type of storm, and that's becoming the norm. And when I was a kid, I remember maybe seeing a 6 to 7 inch rain in my younger years, and we thought that was the worst rain we ever saw. Well, unfortunately, we see that in our region on a yearly basis somewhere. So we need to kind of rethink. If nothing else, the surfaces of our agronomic areas and just how they're going to react as I don't want to say climate change, but I think the norms that we have right now, how our soil is reacting to that. And I think this is a really good graphic test, and the data supports this as well. So what is this doing to yields and that type of thing, and that's stuff that you as agronomists, farmers, Matt, you guys are working on right now too, because I really think that if we are going to receive go to the next level of productivity, yield productivity, and net worth per acre, we are going to have to look at whether or not these soils are really at a state that they can truly provide that productivity, or are we stressing out our soil resource systems? And is this stressed out? Is this going to affect yield? The data right now is supporting that it is decreasing yield, and that these have a greater potential to make higher levels of productivity, simply because we're not losing soil, and we're moving water and air through the soil the way that soil is designed to do. Any questions?
Are you going to dump those out at all?
We are. Can we dump them out?
I got a tarp in there.
Let's get the tarp out because that's really interesting. So what we would be looking for if we dump these things is are the bottom of the tray, is the tray wet on the bottom? If it is, that means the water's moving through properly. And if it's not, we've got some sort of a hard pan in there.